Hello all, welcome back to the Essential SQL series. Today we are going to learn about the intersect operator. What does the intersect operator do is it compares the result set of two queries and returns the distinct rows that are output by both queries. Most important thing is it returns distinct rows after deduplicating the data. Next is it also returns null if matched. In the Venn diagram you can see 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3, 4 in table 1 and 2 respectively. Only common rows are 2 and 3. Also, the output when we use intersect would not only be just 2 and 3 but it will not be repeated. So the syntax looks like select list 1 from table 1, intersect list 2 from table 2. Let's take a look at this in practice. Again, we will use the union statement to first see how many rows are output by union is 55 after deduplicating. When we use intersect, only the common city names deduplicated will be output and the output is only 1, which implies that there is only one common city name among both the tables. That's it for this video. Keep learning. Thank you.